Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to reply to a specific message in Slack. So first what you want to do is go to a conversation right here. Then what you want to do is right click on the message that you want to reply to. So right click, and you'll see this reply in thread right here. I could click on the key letter T on your keyboard right here. Right click on it, then click on T, just like that. Then this will pop up on the right side, and basically you could reply to it. Then once you set it, can be seen here, and could view it. You view thread right here, it says, and if you click on it, this will pop up on the right side. And that's it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you in the next one.